Hi, first graders. This is Miss Crocker. I hope this finds you well. I'm really excited. There's something I want to show you. I ordered something in the mail and it came in. So here's the outside of the box. Butterfly garden, open right away. So I'm going to open the box with you so you can see what's inside. Butterfly garden, open the box. Let's see what is inside. So first we have a cup of caterpillars. And here we can see the caterpillars in the cup. There's one on the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. So we have 5 caterpillars in the cup. It also came with a booklet, My Butterfly Observation Journal. And here you see the stages of a butterfly. And you know a butterfly is a living thing, right? So we have the egg, the caterpillar, that's the stage, we're in the caterpillar stage, the chrysalis, and the butterfly. So you might want to get a piece of paper, fold it in half, or staple a couple together and make yourself a little observation journal. Let's see what some of these pages look like. This page shows you what the caterpillars would look like each day. I won't video every day, but if you took a picture, if you drew something today, you could see how they look. All right. You can also guess what they might look when you're not seeing them and see if you're correct. Here we have the life cycle of the butterfly. What happens first, second, third, fourth, and down here we have the different stages. Eggs, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. First, next, then, last. So you can write about that. What do you think is going to happen first? Next, then, last. Here we have parts of a butterfly. We have addition on a butterfly. How many dots plus how many dots equals what's the sum? What plus what equals what? Here we have words, a word search that has words about butterflies. Antenna, butterfly, caterpillar, chrysalis, eggs, flowers, flutter, fly, garden, insect, larva, nectar, plants, pupa, pupa, right here, pupa, P-U-P-A, and the last one is wings. That's pretty cool. And then they have in this booklet, look at each, there's 3 butterflies in a row. They want you to circle the one butterfly that is different. So if you just look at these at a glance, they look the same, but one is different in each row. And here's a fun dot to dot. The numbers only go up to 12. Well, you can go way past 12. Dot to dot, flowers on the bottom, pretty cool. And then at the end, it says, after my butterfly emerged. So after the caterpillars make their chrysalis and turn into butterflies, what will happen to them? What do you think will happen to them? So that's just the journal inside. Let me show you what else came in this cool kit. We have, once our caterpillars form their chrysalis, I'll be able to put the lid on something like this. Looks like a fake log. It's gonna hold the chrysalis up. And then I'm gonna put that log inside of this. It says butterfly garden. Let me open the plastic up and see what a butterfly garden looks like. What do butterflies need? A butterfly garden. So there's a little strap right here. I'm gonna take it loose. Oh, it has that Velcro on it. And it pops up just like this. So once our caterpillars turn into chrysalis, to put it in here, we'll be able to look at it through the top. That's gonna be really, really cool. Once our caterpillars turn into a chrysalis and then they emerge from their chrysalis, we're gonna use this as a little fake flower so they can eat. So we will talk about all of those things in the last few weeks of school. All right, so I just wanted to show you the cup of caterpillars. Remember, we have 5. Let's see. Oh, that's a little better. We have 5 caterpillars in there. Remember that one on the top. You see how big they are now. The next time you see them, I wonder if they're going to be bigger or smaller. What do you think? All right, so over the next few days, think about all you know about caterpillars, butterflies. Maybe you've done this experiment before with another one of your teachers in kindergarten or pre-K. Pretty cool. So think about that. I just wanted to say hi, and I did not forget that I was going to give you the answers to that assessment or that quiz we took last week. So I want you to stay safe. Think about our cup of 5 caterpillar, which is really the larva stage, larva. Think about that. And tune into your YouTube station. You never know, I might put a pop-up video in there. I might just put a picture up here of our caterpillars to see if they've gotten any bigger or to see if they're gonna make their chrysalis. So I will see you real soon. Stay safe and remember, always do your very best. See you soon.